I'm going to show you how to stand out in the search results in less than 5 minutes by integrating rich snippets. I love them because they're easy to integrate and will help you attract more clicks to your site from Google's search results. Take a look at this unoptimized search result for the Black Panther movie versus what an optimized result looks like. Which one are you more likely to click? Obviously the one with the stars and the extra information, but it doesn't stop with movies. There are tons of different types of rich snippets that you can add to your page, like your business information, your products details, information about upcoming events, details about your latest product review, helpful recipe information, how-to data, FAQ data, and many, many more. As you can see, they make a huge difference in how your site looks in the search results, so you should add them to your site as soon as possible. And I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to add rich snippets to your website immediately. The first way is to use the free RankMath SEO plugin. If you don't know what that is, well, I recently ditched Yoast Premium across all of my sites in favor of RankMath. Now, one of the things RankMath does very well is adding rich snippet data to your posts and pages. All you have to do is choose which type of rich snippet you want to add to your content and fill out the details accordingly. For example, my SEO Power Suite review setup looks like this in RankMath, but produces this in Google's search results. Not only that, but you can set RankMath to automatically add all of the article schema markup you need across your site in just one click. And that creates beautiful results like this in Google's Rich Snippets testing tool. So, if you're not currently using an SEO plugin, install RankMath. Or if you're still using Yoast, still install RankMath, because migration only takes a few clicks. If, however, you don't want to change your current SEO plugin, then you can use the free all-in-one Schema Rich Snippets plugin. Just go to the Add Plugin section of your WordPress dashboard and type all-in-one Schema into the search bar and install it. Then head over to the Rich Snippet section of your sidebar to set up the general rich snippets that will appear across your site. And then, when editing a post or page, you'll find this new option to configure your rich snippets. Just select which one you want to add to your page and fill out the information. Once you've integrated rich snippet data with RankMath or the all-in-one Schema plugin, you need to test it. And to do that, we are going to use Google's structured data testing tool. Just enter your URL and it will tell you firstly if schema data was found, and secondly if there are any errors and how to fix them. Just work through each URL on your site to add schema data and test it. It really is pretty simple for anyone to do. So that's everything you need to know about rich snippets. There's no need for me to keep banging on. They'll help you increase search traffic and take less than 5 minutes to integrate. You can add rich snippets for business, products, events, restaurants, reviews, videos, books, courses, job posts, services, FAQs, how-to posts, and many, many more. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel first, and then go and integrate rich snippets on your site right now. Or kick back, relax, and watch the next video.